Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of code optimization. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, understanding how to make your Python code run faster is essential. In this video, we'll explore some powerful techniques and clever tricks to boost your code's performance. Let's get started. Number 1. Profiling your code. Before we optimize anything, we need to identify the bottlenecks. Profiling helps us pinpoint which parts of our code consume the most time. Python provides built-in tools like cprofile and timeit for this purpose. Use them to measure execution times and identify areas that need improvement. Number 2. Vectorization with NumPy. NumPy is a game changer when it comes to numerical computations. Instead of looping through arrays, leverage NumPy's vectorized operations. For example, instead of using slow loop-based summation, you can achieve faster results with NumPy. Number 3. List comprehensions. Replace traditional loops with concise list comprehensions. They're not only more readable but also faster. For instance, consider calculating squares. Number 4. Avoid global variables. Accessing global variables is slower than local ones. Minimize global scope and use function parameters instead. Here's an example. Number 5. Generator expressions. When dealing with large datasets, use generator expressions. They produce values on the fly without creating intermediate lists. Compare list comprehensions to generator expressions. Number 6. Cache reusable results. If a function computes the same result multiple times, cache it using functools. lru_cache. This can significantly speed up your code. Conclusion. Optimizing code isn't just about speed. It's about writing cleaner, more efficient programs. Remember to profile, vectorize, use comprehensions, avoid globals, embrace generators and cache results. Happy coding! That's it for today's video. If you found these Python tricks helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy coding!